What seems to be the problem, officer?
How's it going tonight, guys?
It's going all right. How you doing tonight?
That's good. Redo this. Hey, y'all.
What seems to be the problem tonight, officer?
Well, we got a problem.
Uh-huh.
The problem is, y'all just won the grand prize, $4,000, for being the 100th driver wearing your seatbelt.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. So y'all don't be using it to go buy no liquor tonight. Y'all need to use it for gas or whatever, but don't let me have to pull y'all over for wrong reasons again tonight.
Okay.
And so you take this to the court tomorrow, and they'll give you your grand prize. And y'all have a good night here.
All right.
Oh, and I forgot to ask y'all, what are y'all planning on doing with your money?
Well, first I'm gonna get my license.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna pay off all those warrants for my arrest.
Oh, don't worry about him. He always talks big when he's drunk.
Oh, wait, your name's Brooks Bishop, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we have your name a couple times in our records. Yeah, you're right on the verge of going to Slammers.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so you better watch it. All right, night.
There's a cop near everywhere.
10-4. Alright, we have. I'm supposed to pull this guy over for being the 100th driver to be wearing a seatbelt.
And y'all start filming.
10-4.